What does the word bank usually mean? Options are A place to study, B. A place to keep and manage money, C. A shopping center, D. A post office. The correct answer is a place to keep and manage money. Which word refers to money kept in a bank account? Options are A. Salary, B. Deposit, C. Loan, D. Budget. The correct answer is deposit. What is the meaning of withdraw? Options are A. To save money, B. To take money out of an account, C. To borrow money, D. To count money. The correct answer is to take money out of an account. Which word means money given by a bank that must be paid back? Options are A. Bonus, B. Charge, C. Loan, D. Fee. The correct answer is loan. What does account usually refer to? Options are A. A written story, B. A record of money transactions, C. A bill for services, D. A payment received. The correct answer is a record of money transactions. Which word means extra money paid for using bank services? Options are A. Interest, B. Discount, C. Refund, D. Tip. The correct answer is interest. What does the word balance mean? Options are A. A type of payment, B. Money currently in an account, C. A bank building, D. A cash counter. The correct answer is money currently in an account. Which word refers to moving money from one account to another? Options are A. Transfer, B. Collect, C. Withdraw, D. Exchange. The correct answer is transfer. What is the meaning of cash? Options are A. Digital payment, B. Paper money and coins, C. Credit limit, D. Bank statement. The correct answer is paper money and coins. Which word means a printed record of account activity? Options are A. Receipt, B. Application, C. Statement, D. Form. The correct answer is statement.